In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay and loop Google Slides. This is a handy feature if you're looking to set up a seamless presentation, whether for a trade show booth, a school project, or even a looping informational display. Let's dive into this straightforward guide, and you'll have your slideshow looping effortlessly in no time. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You'll need to be signed into your Google account to access all the features seamlessly. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage where you can create or open presentations. Next, let's start with a clean slate by selecting a blank presentation. You'll see this option prominently when you open Google Slides, ensuring you have a fresh workspace to practice this feature. Once your blank presentation is open, it's time to kick off the slideshow settings. To do this, look at the top menu bar and click on View. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to and click on Slideshow. This mode is essential for playing your presentation in full screen. Now here's where the magic happens. Once your presentation is in slideshow mode, move your cursor towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice a small toolbar appears with a trio of small dots. Clicking on those three dots will open a new set of options. Among these options, you'll find the autoplay or loop feature. Selecting this allows your slides to transition automatically without manual clicking, and the loop function ensures that once your presentation reaches its end, it seamlessly starts over from the beginning. Before you wrap up, take a moment to explore the settings within the autoplay feature. You can adjust the play speed to fit the rhythm you prefer. Options usually range from a slide changing every second up to several minutes per slide. This flexibility means you can tailor the timing to match the amount of information on each slide or the ambience you're hoping to create. Once everything is set to your liking, you're ready to let your presentation run its course. It's an easy way to ensure your slides keep rolling smoothly, allowing you to focus on other tasks while your presentation takes care of itself. And there you have it, a seamless way to autoplay and loop your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're setting it up for a conference, a workshop, or just enhancing your classroom activities, this feature is a game changer. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Google Slides tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me and happy presenting.